Wind energy in New London, Connecticut. A new agreement was signed to facilitate the redevelopment of State Pier. The move was called a critical milestone in the state's quest to become a national leader in offshore wind development. In a statement from Governor Ned Lamont, this agreement guarantees millions in payments to the City of New London over the next 7 years. The agreement also provides for the city's revenue to increase as Connecticut's use of renewable offshore wind expands over the next decade. The project is intended to modernize State Pier for the support of offshore wind turbines. Setting the safety training standard is the Glowbal Wind Organization, or GWO, founded by leading turbine manufacturers, owners, and operators. Survival Systems USA is upholding and ensuring these training standards are met. In partnership with ENSA North America, the most comprehensive training company in wind power and a division of Mallory Safety Management Services, we bring cost-effective, certified quality, and fastest-to-compliance training to Groton, Connecticut. Learn more about high-access and rescue training with Survival Systems USA by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications. Leave us a comment, call us at 860-405-0002, or visit our website at survivalsystemsinc.com.